Hello friend, today I am here with another video. In this video, first of all, I will tell you tool name. I use punching tool. First punching tool, and second tester, third stripper wire, fourth cable cutter, remote, cable tester within remote, white patch code Cat6, Cat6A cable half meter, 2 Systimax module termination. You can see 2 modules. Color coding only be used. Take a piece of Cat6 cable and peel it. Separate each pair. There are 8 pairs. First green, half green, half white green, blue white blue, brown white brown, and orange white orange. Blue and orange connected downside, and green and brown upside. Use two punching tool, 1 by 1 pair punching. Both side connector use termination, both side. First module ready termination, and second termination. Blue and orange downside, green and brown upside. Same color coding use both side. B category only use 1 by 1 pairs punching. Cap, both side connector termination ready, and check. Remote, first patch code remote connected, and second patch code cable tester connectivity connected. This is a cable tester within remote, and only use STP and UTP cable. Cat6, Cat5, Cat5E, Cat6, Cat6A cable only use cable tester. Both side termination correct. Check the result. You can see video. R side and main side okay. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 6 7 7 8. Both side connected termination is okay.